Today we are getting some new wheels.
We're going to be putting on these Seat Sport Drives on the car. These are the wheels that we're going to be fitting. These are
Advantech Black Widow.
These are Gecko coilovers for the Hyundai i20. So unfortunately, we won't be able to drive the car today.
So as you guys saw, the coilovers have been installed. We've also driven on them for a bit, so they've settled down a good amount. And now we're just putting the car back onto the lift, and we'll be doing all the adjustments in order to make sure that the fitment is perfect. We might be going back to the stock wheels mainly because we feel that the fenders will rub with the current setup, as you can see over here. So we're going to be, and I think Bhavneet will be getting different wheels as well, I'm not too sure. But we'll be putting back the stock wheels, doing all the adjustments, and then we'll head back to the talking. So these are the knobs that go on top of the shock absorber. They're pretty straightforward. You put them and you rotate them. So you either got you got S, which is for soft, H for hard, depending on whatever you want. You just rotate it. If you want it to be on a harder setup, softer setup, anything you want, pretty straightforward. So we're just going to be installing these, and after that, Mr. Fitment Anirudh is going to be doing his magic and making this proper. He's a hey, लाओ रे बटन लाओ
अरे बटन पे जा रहा था.
अरे बटन दिखाने के लिए वो कर रहे थे घोचू सही में बटन लगा रहे
आला परत निप्या पेळायला.
Driving B58s to driving probably a B only 8. Not bad.
Bro, thoughts?
Not bad, except the lag in the second gear is just too much. I can, with all my 110 kgs of mass, I can run faster. This is one design feature on the N-Line I love, that you can adjust the coilovers without having to do any dramatic poses. It's easy access, so yeah, that is good.
So I'm driving the N-Line now with the new Gecko coilovers, and like Tanay explained, unfortunately we had to remove the Advantech wheels, at least for the time being, till we find a workaround to the offset problem that we currently have. But at least the wheels look good. Talking about the suspension, I went out on a round with Anirudh right now and feels pretty nice. Anirudh was also fairly impressed, although I mean, very difficult to impress someone who daily drives an M340i with 450 horsepower and KW suspension. But this car already off the bat with the new suspension feels stiffer, it feels more agile, more than what a stock N-Line does. And let's be honest, a stock N-Line out of the box itself is a very good handling car, and this should amplify those characteristics even more. So we'll put it up our little test road over here where we test a lot of cars, and we'll see how it performs. It's definitely a lot stiffer than what the stock suspension was, but surprisingly, even though it's become stiffer, it's not uncomfortable as the stock suspension somehow. I'm not really sure how that works. If someone knows how to, explain that, please do. But the jerkiness that the stock suspension had when it went through like a bump or something was very harsh, whereas this is kind of manageable and it doesn't make any weird thudding noises or anything of that sort, which is again very impressive. The steering has kind of gained a little bit of feel. It's a little bit more heavier than the stock suspension now, which is a very, very good thing. And we'll just कैसे निकला वो? We'll just take this turn a little spiritedly right now. Oh yeah, that's much better. Much better. It feels flatter in the corners now. I mean, we'll have to drive this very extensively to actually understand how it drives, but in this little test that we just did, felt pretty nice.
So all of the adjustment for the suspension, everything is more or less done. I think the car is looking really nice even on the stock wheels. Honestly, I like this quite a lot. And we have a special guest. It's Mr. Fall from Bike.
Hello boys.
What are your thoughts on N-Line? Like how it's looking right now?
I like it. I'm scared it's too stiff.
Stiff था क्या? मेरे को भी याद नहीं है अभी.
वो stiff लगा थोड़ा, but it's fine. It's easy.
It's fine, bro. We'll do your society autocross again.
We'll do.
Let's do.
You can't sit पीछे सामान.
Oh yeah. You can't sit behind.
क्या है बे?
It's all your everything.
All my everything.
It's your suspension, wheels, brakes, everything. But anyways, let us know in the comments down below what do you think of the N-Line. What should we do next? What are you going to do next?
Intercooler.
Binoy, Stellar, please do something. Anyways, thank you for watching. Comment down below and I'll catch you in the next one.